For the 15 most commonly used seasonings, of course number 1 is soy sauce. A salty, umami-flavored sauce made from fermented soybeans. There are 2 types of soy sauce, light one and dark one. Light soy sauce, also known as thin soy sauce, this variety is lighter in color and saltier than dark soy sauce. It is typically used as a seasoning in cooking, as well as a dipping sauce for dumplings, seafood, and other dishes. Light soy sauce is commonly used in Chinese, Japanese, and Korean cuisine. Dark soy sauce, also known as thick soy sauce, this variety is darker in color and has a thicker, syrupy consistency than light soy sauce. It has a slightly sweeter, less salty taste and is often used for coloring and flavoring dishes such as stews, braises, and stir-fries. Dark soy sauce is commonly used in Chinese and Southeast Asian cuisine. Fish sauce, a pungent, salty sauce made from fermented fish, often used in Southeast Asian cuisine. Oyster sauce, a thick, sweet and savory sauce made from oysters and soy sauce, commonly used in Chinese cooking. Hoisin sauce, a thick, sweet and savory sauce made from soybeans, sugar, vinegar, and garlic, often used in Chinese cuisine. Mirin, a sweet Japanese rice wine used in marinades, sauces, and glazes. Rice vinegar, a mild, acidic vinegar made from rice, commonly used in Japanese, Chinese, and Korean cooking. Gochujang, a spicy, fermented Korean chili paste made from chili peppers, soybeans, and rice. Curry powder, a blend of spices including turmeric, cumin, coriander, and ginger, commonly used in Indian and Southeast Asian curries. Tamarind paste, a tangy, sour paste made from the tamarind fruit, commonly used in Southeast Asian cooking. 5-spice powder, a blend of spices including star anise, cinnamon, cloves, fennel, and Sichuan pepper, commonly used in Chinese cuisine. Sesame oil, a nutty flavored oil commonly used in Chinese, Japanese, and Korean cooking. Shaoxing wine, a Chinese rice wine used in marinades, sauces, and cooking. Sambal oelek, a spicy chili paste made from chili peppers, vinegar, and salt, commonly used in Southeast Asian cuisine. Coconut milk, a creamy, rich liquid made from grated coconut meat, commonly used in Southeast Asian curries, soups, and desserts. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to Food and Culture. In the future, we will share more Asian cooking skills and recipes. Come and enjoy cooking with us. Ciao.